Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play Roblox on two accounts at the same time on a single PC on a single account. So first of all, what you have to do is open roblox.com and select any game of your choice. For instance, I will choose this, and then I will simply click on play button. Roblox is now loading. So open Roblox game client. If I click on it, download and install Roblox. If I click on it, it will start to download an installer file into my PC. Now if I click on the installer file, it will start to install on my computer just like that. As you can see, Roblox is now installing on my computer. So this is our first Roblox that we have installed. Now once it's done, you can play game, but we want to install another Roblox launcher. To open a new Roblox launcher, simply what you have to do is open your Microsoft Store and type in Roblox in the search bar, and then you will be able to see Roblox. If you click on Roblox, you will be able to see another install button. If I click on install, now it will start to install Roblox launcher once again on my same PC. We have already installed and it's running right now on my computer. But with the help of Microsoft Store, you can download another version of Roblox and you can sign in into this Roblox studio with another account, and that's how you will be able to play or launch two Roblox launchers on a single PC with two different accounts at the same time. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.